Hey everybody, and welcome to the Garagemahal. So this is a 36 by 36 foot pole barn that has undergone several updates and renovations in the last year. We now have fiber optic internet out here, a brand new roof, brand new epoxied floors, updated appliances including the water heater, the well pump, seriously so many, the list goes on. This also sits on 10 acres. Check this out. We have established trails throughout the property here already. Really cool space. So give me a call, schedule time, let's come take a look and see if the Garagemahal is the right place for you.